Good to go.
Okay, it's day one. We're on Paradise in Arizona. We're gonna go skateboarding tomorrow. It's gonna be so much fun. It's just paradise.
Ready? Let's do it. Let's get it. Yeah.
Okay, so we're hanging out with this guy, Sean, the CCP crew that is, and he's falling asleep and he's really not waking up. So I'm thinking a little nudge with a crutch will fix his problem. Trial number 2, we need to use a boot. It's trial number 3 and the kid is just not waking up, so I'm thinking what we need to do is use this pillow. It was a success. We woke this big guy up. Hey, say hi to the camera. Say it, see? So.
Oh.
So we woke him up. And, hey, you catch a few C's. I'll see you later, buddy. Go past this. Hey Keith, what's up? So this is pregnancy massage. When you're doing like the massage, you can tell, you know, you can feel that baby in there.
Andrew. I very seldom feel babies move, but I think that's because mothers are relaxed and babies relax.
Really? What if we got them all wound up? Like, well, I've been with my girlfriend for like a couple months now, and she hasn't had her period in a while. So I was wondering if maybe you could. I'm really sorry for asking this, but if you could give the massage and see if maybe the baby was in there.
No, I can't.
You can't do that?
No, if you have a 2-month baby, it's the size of your thumb. That's what I would do. I would go to the drugstore, get a pregnancy test kit, and just read and follow the directions.
Okay, I just hope my mom doesn't see me.
All the feel.
Okay, cool. Well, thank you. Hey, maybe I hope she's not, but if she is, maybe we'll come in and get some massage because you've been really helpful. Thanks a lot.
Yeah. Thanks. Bye bye.
Okay, bye.
Dude, that's sick. I will start.
Dude, he's not gonna come back down. What's up? Where'd you get that blood from?
How's about a British jig and reel? Speaking English in quotation, as railhead towns feel the steel mills rust. Water froze in the generation. Clear as winter ice. This is your paradise. There ain't no need for ya. There ain't no need for ya. Go straight to hell, boy. Go straight to hell, boy. Wanna join in a chorus of the Aberration Blues.
Keep it going, keep it going.
When it's Christmas out in Ho Chi Minh City, kitty say Papa, 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 Papa San, take me home. See me got photograph of you and Mama San. Of you and Mama San. Let me tell you about your blood bamboo kid. It ain't Coca-Cola, it's rice. Straight to hell, boy. Go straight to hell, boy. Go straight to hell, boy. Go straight to hell, boy. Oh, Papa San, please take me home. Oh, Papa San, everybody, they wanna go.
You know, he just landed that and you guys like ruined my shot. I hope you feel really bad about that. I'm looking for Mr. Braxton.
Yes, come on in.
Great, I'm interested in the computer program systems analysis job.
Well, you've come to the right place.
Finally, I've been searching all around this goddamn place for an hour and a half now.
Yes, it's a little hard to navigate, but I'm glad you found it.
Yeah, dude, and your secretary's a real fat bitch. She was no help at all.
Yeah, she recently just got employed here. She's still learning the ropes, but... Can I see your resume?
Okay, Mr. Braxton.
Sir, there's no smoking in this facility.
Damn it! I'm so sick of all these health fruit fairy fucks over in the fucking federal government always telling me when and where I can do my activities. First, they said I couldn't drink at 8 o'clock in the streets when it was like, come on, dude, it's my neighborhood. Now they're telling me I can't smoke in this office. When will it end, Braxton? Tell me. Tell me, Braxton.
Yes.
When will it end?
Yeah, I understand where you're coming from, but it's company policy.
Well, shit.
So, Mr. Poondass.
It's Poundass. Timothy Poundass III. It's German.
So tell me, Mr. Poundass, did I say that correctly?
Yes.
Why have you chosen Firefox Incorporated?
The last company I worked for didn't really fulfill my needs.
Were you not challenged enough?
Well, you know, I was doing some graphic design work for them, and they didn't really like my ideas.
Could you please elaborate?
They have a problem with TNA.
Excuse me?
Tits and ass. Come on, Braxton. So you're telling me that you hired that secretary out there just for her networking skills?
She had an outstanding resume, and she had really good SAT scores.
SAT, LSD, who gives a shit?
Moving on, let me ask you a few questions. What's customer service to you?
You know, it's always like being like having a handy heavy duty and then, you know, answering questions if anybody has one. But come on, Braxton. Let's be honest. If there's some douchebag messing shit up, you gotta regulate. I mean, there's no ifs, ands, or buts about it.
What do you mean?
So check it. Check it 1, 2. When I was working at Bed Bath & Beyond, which was my prior job, some kid spilled shampoo all over the floor. I took my mop, busted out his fucking kneecaps. Let's just say there was a smile on my face the whole fucking time.
That doesn't sound very courteous to me.
Let's just say there weren't any more punks spilling shampoo on my aisles.
Well, there's a lot of people looking for this job. So, we'll give you a call when we've made our decision.
Listen, I drove here 15 minutes in the rain so you can give me 15 minutes of your time. You sit your ass down and ask me some more goddamn questions.
Wait, that's the phone. I need to take this.
What?
Could you sit down?
Alright.
Okay.
I need security sent up to my office right now. I got a hostile individual. How long will it take? How long? I really don't know what he's gonna do next. Alright, I'll try to stall him. Hurry. You're coming. Hurry. Hurry!
Well, Mr. Poondass.
Poundass!
Okay, sorry. Where did you grow up?
Well, a small rural town in Montana. Then I was 13. Stop! I ain't never gonna stop! Dude, you don't want none of this play. I killed a man.
Dude, don't tell Braxton that I killed a man.
I'll be back, Braxton. I'll be back.
I'm glad that's over with. Back to work.
What? I don't have a belt, dude.
Got a point.
I see France. I see your underpants.
Ow!
Ooh. Hello, Count.
been practicing for about over a year. You know, it's the first time that this is our first show, so. We're kind of nervous, that's alright. I hope you guys enjoy it. We're just gonna try to have some fun. Alright, okay. RAD. Racing Against Daryl.